Alright, here it is, August 3, 2022. I'm down at the Library Steps Social Hub area shooting some video. This is the 41st week of major construction. Got a little bit of a slight sprinkle going on me here. So it's a little bit cooler today just because of the clouds and rainish. So as we can see in front of us here, this is the part of the canopy that's built and painted white here. I believe this section could be the restroom section. I'm not really sure, or it'll be next to the restroom section. The whole configuration of this thing seems a little bit different from what's presented on the schematics, drawings, whatnot. You can see they've already put up some more of the superstructure here for the canopy that goes on around that way. So that'll be the canopy per se, and I think this area back over here has to be the bathroom because I can see a lot of pipe and plumbing up in there. I can also see the green forms that arrived on Monday, I think it was, or put into use here in building something over there. So not sure what that'll be, but all this back over here with the white and green, I think that's generally the area of the bathroom. And then back over here with the little wall and the new superstructure that's up, that'll be just the canopy area where there'll be little tables and areas where people can sit. And then back out in front of all that, this side of that pickup will be the fountain area itself, where it will have jets shooting up, misting water and whatnot. All right, as I pan on back around, it looks like they've completed the painting of the superstructure over here, so it kind of stands out a little bit more right now. So this is what we got going on here. I'm going to take a minute to switch over to my telephoto lens and shoot with that for just a bit. All right, here I am on my telephoto lens, shooting out over to the west bowl there where the superstructure is for the 360-degree stage. I've got that all painted white. It's looking good. Doing some work on that. Back over here, as I was talking about in my last clip, they've got up the superstructure for the canopy right here set up. They're working on that. That's where there'll be tables and stuff people can sit at. And then back on over here is what I believe will be the restroom facility, where it's already painted white. We have our green panels that came in this last Monday. So that'll all be restroom. I can see what looks like plumbing pipes coming up in there. So they're working on doing something with the concrete there. But this is what we got going on down here. A little bit of rain sprinkling on me now, a little breeze, so it's fairly cool this morning. Time is now 10:45 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. So you can see what's going on down here. And then back out beyond here, I can sort of see back over there some heads over in the lagoon. So we're doing some work back over in the lagoon, which was concrete was finished off on Monday, I believe, and then the area between here and the lagoon out in the middle there of the structures will be the fountain area, where there'll be like a misting fountain and stuff where people can go and hang out, and it'll be nice and cool from the evaporation of the mist. So this is what we got going on here. I'm going to finish up here, and then I'm going to move around to the City Hall area, see what's happening over there. Alrighty. Right, here I am down by City Hall looking over into the lagoon. We can see that the concrete is finished off over there. We're doing some work down there, more prep. Time now is 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Still getting a little bit of sprinkles on me here. Looks like there could be a dust storm way back over southwest of me there, but hard to tell. But we can see here that they have they're working back over there on the white section there now, I believe, is the actual bathroom section. And then this gray part that they've erected here, must have erected it yesterday afternoon sometime. It's not painted yet. That'll be the actual canopy section. So that makes more sense to me. It matches up more to the diagram and schematics than just the one thing by itself there. The pan on around here, you can see we have the canopy over there, continuing to work on that. The upper part of it's been painted white. The support poles yet to be painted there, it looks like. And I can see back up towards the West Paseo there, big front end loaders back up there doing something. So let me take a moment to switch over to my telephoto lens. All right, here I am now on my telephoto lens, shooting over into the West Bowl at the infrastructure and back up this way into the West Paseo, back up there. I'll eventually wind up there, but we can see the 360-degree superstructure is mostly painted on the upper level. Still got to paint the poles. And as I pan on around here, get a little bit closer view of what they're doing back over here. Doing some more work in the lagoon area to get that fixed up, but the outer rim bank of the lagoon area is already poured and done, looks like. Then we can see back over there the superstructure for the canopy, the gray part not painted. I believe the white part will be the restroom area. So got that going on. So making a lot of good progress down here on this end of the project. So I'm going to finish this up here, and I'm going to move around to the East Bowl, finish up that. This will be the east end of the project, and then I'll move around to the western end of the project. Alrighty. Right, here I am down at the East Bowl. We're working on what will generally be the stage area here for the East Bowl stage and canopy thing. See guys down in a hole there, so they must be doing some kind of work on what will be underground infrastructure for the stage. So we got some stuff going on down here. Looks like they're forming up the area where the stage will eventually, platform will be poured here. Get that all fixed up. Supervisor originally hoped to have this poured at the end of July, but moving along, maybe slightly behind their schedule. Let me pan around here, go up here. You can see the up here the social hub area where the bathroom, and this will be the fog and mist garden up here where all this superstructure stuff set up. So got that going. Maybe that those green forms are some kind of wall, fabricated wall for the bathroom or something. Interior part there, maybe that'll need water resistance or something. I think you're supposed to be able to change swimsuits in there or something if you need to, coming up here. But this is what we got going on up here in the East Bowl. You just barely see from here the 360-degree canopy superstructure back over there. So I'm going to just do a quick shoot here, finish this up, and then I'm going to start moving around to the West Paseo is my goal now. Still a little bit of sprinkles going on, but luckily the cloud cover is keeping it fairly cool out here, so that's super nice for today. Okay, time is now 11:10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. I'm going to stop this and start moving around to the West Paseo. Alrighty. Right, here I am down at the West Paseo by the Aline building. The time is 11:24 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. See what's going on down here on the western edge of the project. Looks like they're just continuing to work on some of their concrete forms and whatnot down here. What appears to be going on. Still getting some stuff fixed up back over here by the little museum in the general area where the little schoolyard will be back over there. Down here, if I pan down here, on these steps, they're starting to do some electrical work, putting in where there'll be lighting there for the steps when it's dark. So get some electrical work done there. They pan back up, pan around the area here, go back over here by the restroom area. Continuing to fix up stuff there that'll be for the I think the little amenities area out in front. We'll have water fountains, probably sinks to wash your hands, hand blowers, whatnot. So that's what we'll see going on there. Down here below me, they're working on fixing up this area here. Probably gonna get it ready to set up for doing concrete forms or something, pour concrete down there, whatever's going to be there. Let me go up a little bit higher here. Looking out to the West Bowl. Turn on back around here, get a shot down the West Paseo, down through here. See where they're working on this ground down here below me. Starting to get everything fixed up down there, so maybe sometime this month they'll pour the turquoise planters down there. Be nice to see those fixed up. But you can see here what we got going on. Let me go out here. Well, maybe not. But this is starting to take shape pretty good. So a lot of detail work left to do, but it's getting there. I think I got some rain over to the south of me, back over here, it looks like, possibly. So the West Paseo's coming along. It's just a lot of little detailed work here now, looks like. So I think I'll finish this up here for the day. Call this good. Did a lot of walking around, shot some footage all across the complex pretty much. So stuff is happening. We're moving on in August. Time now is 11:29 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. So let me finish this up here. Call this a day. May come back down tomorrow morning early, see if they're doing anything of worth. Alrighty, let me call this good.